Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope so you are all fine. Today I will give you a lecture about this picture that is on page number 15, exercise 3, that is given in your summer vacation work. I will tell you how can you solve this exercise on your notebook. So dear students, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see different dangers in the city. You can see that along the road some construction work is going on. So people need to be careful on the road. We must follow the traffic rules to stay safe. We should not be hurry because it might cause an accident. Students, we can see the cautionary signs and instructions written on the board which help us to follow directions. They are for our safety. Like we can see two cautionary board on the road. So by the following traffic rules and regulations, we can save ourselves from any accident. We can also see there is a crowd on the road and all are busy in their work and no one is bothering what's going on. Now students, what you have to do? You have to see this picture carefully and have to tell 2 or 3 dangers you can see in the picture. And we are done with the exercise number 3 that is including in your summer vacation. Hope so you can now understand very well that how do you do this work on your notebook.